going to talk a little bit about sort of connecting the online and the offline. These next guys are doing it a totally different way, but they're doing it. So David and Carter from Tigerbow.
Foursquare folks to thanks for making us look so big. So we actually had a PowerPoint, and we got Nate's email that said we're not allowed to have any PowerPoint. So instead of using a PowerPoint, I'm going to start with a question that's really more of a variety. Does anybody here like chocolate? Show of hands, anyone? Hey, where's that cute little brunette? What's your email address? Shout out.
Rachel.
Yeah, what's your email address?
Rachel A. Kern.
At?
Gmail.
Thank you. Okay, the little secret is that's my answer. Anyway. And I know your email address anyway. So what we like to do in Tigerbow is we let people send actual gifts to virtual places. So what's an actual gift? It's kind of ironic we have to explain it these days, but an actual gift is exactly what it sounds like. It's a real, tangible product. It's not a virtual gift. We have no problem with virtual gifts. We think they're really cool. I like to send them, I like to get them, but there's a place for them. But some people actually like to get actual, tangible gifts. And we use the term virtual place, virtual address it's really a catch-all phrase for any non-physical address. So an email address, a social network profile, a mobile telephone number. And what Carter's showing is on our web application, you can send actual tangible gifts to an email address. You can also do a Facebook profile also. The platforms we can access today are email and Facebook. Will have open social and Twitter and all of them soon. The products that are on there right now on this platform are flowers, chocolates, books, movies, baked goods, cards. We're adding stuff all the time. So you might ask, why would someone use this platform? Well, I would answer that question with another question. And I would ask you, everybody here has an iPhone or a BlackBerry, like, how many contacts do you have in there? Thousands, right? And for what percentage of those contacts do you actually have physical mailing addresses? My guess is it's really small. Mine, I don't really have any physical addresses in there anymore. I don't even know my brother's zip code, so this is a good way to send him something. But not only are we using our email address or our social network profile or even our mobile phone as a representation of our identity, but we are now forging all these relationships online, and some of those relationships are only online, or they start online and they trend offline, but you don't cross that little barrier. So, I might, want to send somebody a gift because they did something nice, like Nate let us present today. We had some help from some voters, but if we want to send Nate something, we can just, if I'm connected to him on Facebook, I know his email address, I can go and pick something. I guess Carter's going to take some here from Nate, and you're getting a gift, so if you were. And you can choose something, and you can just click a few buttons and send it to him. Now, one of the other really cool things about what we're doing is that address, when you send a gift, you get this notification, it's either via email or via the Facebook notification. But to accept it, you'll get this message, and you have to we either have your information, the physical mailing address already because you've used the platform before, or you provide it. One of the keys, though, is that we don't share that physical mailing address with anybody but the merchant and the shipper. So no third-party marketers, no stalkers, nothing like that. We're adding new features all the time to the platform. We're going to add scheduled delivery and scheduled receiving. We're also going to do, you can send one gift to a bunch of people. So let's say it's Christmas time and you want to send the same gift to like 7 different people. You can just click their address and send it. We built the applications that Carter's been showing here to demonstrate and test the platform. But what we're doing today is we're integrating our platform with online communities, dating sites, virtual, etc., so that their users can send actual, tangible gifts to. Did I talk slow enough to know? If I did, don't tell me. So that their users can send actual gifts to virtual places. And that's our provision.
Send you on deck. He thought I was next.
All right, sorry about that. I'm still a little dumbfounded by the fact that this Payola with a uniform coloring book. Great guys. So, are there any questions for these guys? Over there.
Are you using, who's your shipping fulfillment provider?
The question was, who's our shipping fulfillment provider? The answer is that we work with wholesalers and merchants, and we pass the orders on to them. And whatever shipping that they use, we use UPS, FedEx, and the Postal Service.
Are you going to be opening up for other pay providers?
Other.
I saw you have MasterCard, et cetera.
No. The question was, are we opening up to other payment platforms? And the answer is yes. Right now we have MasterCard, Visa, American Express. We're adding PayPal. And
One last one.
Me? Do you act as an affiliate for those products? So
the question was, we act as an affiliate for those products. We have different relationships with each of our wholesalers and distributors. So there's a few of them that we have that we have a straightforward wholesale arrangement. Sometimes when we start a relationship with a merchant, we act as an affiliate to kind of kludge together a quick solution and then show them how it works, and then maybe we have a resale agreement for that.
Great. Thanks, guys.